with that, and they make an amazing Valentine's, Galentines, Browenstein gift. Please don't think I'm coming for like, I'm making fun of Jewish names. I'm not. My last name is Schwartz. Hey, thank you for joining me today for our Design Pretty 2020 Valentine's gift guide. Now, Rose Quartz, for those of you who don't know, is the stone of universal love. Now, this is all kinds of love. It's not just like smoochy smoochy, me and my hubby. No. It's all kinds of love. Familial love, love of one's environment, love of the universe. Like, it just attracts love to you. So imagine having these stunning bookends covered in layers of gold leaf and just look amazing. On top of that, they're bringing you love. Can you beat this? You can't beat that. So that's number one. But I also have them covered in silver leaf. Some people don't like gold. I know, it's nuts. Like, who doesn't like gold? But apparently, I mean, I get messages from people that are like, can you do these in silver for me? And I'm like, why? That's not what I say. I usually just say, sure I can. How can I help you? How many layers of silver would you like? You know, and I accommodate. That's me. But I mean, in my mind, I'm like, but why? Anyway, different strokes for different folks. So we also have a wide array of agate bookends in a multitude of colors. I have blue, teal, pink, purple, natural, rust green on occasion, which is a rarity for me. It's something that comes every once in a while. When I get it, I'm happy to have it, and it usually goes really quickly. I believe I'm going to be adding a pair of green very soon, and that's the only pair I have, and then they'll be gone. So wide array of agate bookends, Sodalite bookends, which tends to be the bookend that a lot of women buy for men because they are chunky and heavy looking and masculine. They're like a more masculine, I guess, stereotypically masculine bookend. Although I think they're gorgeous. I use them in my house because I love blue and I love white, and sometimes they have like really these gorgeous natural white striations in them. And so those are a great Valentine's Day gift, Galentine's Day gift, Browenstein Day's gift. Browenstein sounds like a Jewish guy. You know Bobby Browenstein? No. Anyway, there's no such thing as Browenstein. I'm just trying to think of the male equivalent of Galentine. Okay, we also have a gorgeous array of Rose Quartz coasters. Now we have ones that come in a set of 4. They are round, they're just round Rose Quartz coasters, and the edges are polished, and they're just Rose Quartz, no gold, no silver, no nothing. They're gorgeous, and those come in a set of 4. We have our individual Rose Quartz coasters that range from 5 to 8 inches. They're almost, I mean, you almost want to call them small platters because they're bigger than your average coaster. And for me, I think that they're more than just for drinks. Like, you can put it on your coffee table, put it on your nightstand, you know, anywhere where you wanted to have a beverage coaster. But I think they're also really nice for like a vanity. You have some jewelry on it, or like put, you know, a few lipsticks and a lip gloss on it. Or if you have a collection of crystals and you just want to have that with some other crystals laying on it. There's so many different things you can do, and they are beautiful. I mean, you can have hors d'oeuvres on it because it almost like is the size of a kind of a dessert plate. So you can, you know, use your imagination. You can do tons of things with that, and they make an amazing Valentines, Galentines, Browenstein gift. Please don't think I'm coming for like, I'm making fun of Jewish names. I'm not. My last name is Schwartz. I mean, I'm not. Anyway, so now we went over our bookends, we went over our coasters, and I also have agate coasters, which agate, like just like the bookends, come in a wide variety of colors. I'm actually very limited at the moment. I have blue, teal, purple, pink, and natural. I'm not that limited. I guess I have enough. And then we have our large Rose Quartz platters, which are just these gorgeous, oversized platters that you can use to put a cake on. For anything you want to use it for. You could use it as a vanity tray, anything. But they make an amazing Valentine's present. If you wanted to impress somebody and you gave them one of those, I think you'd have a very special Valentine's Day. Just saying, just saying. Somebody gave one to me, I thought, whoa. Anyway, so that I believe is it. And we have, I mean, and then there's anything else on our website. Our lamps, those are amazing. And forget about Valentine's for somebody else. What about a Valentine for yourself? What about you? You deserve some stuff. You deserve things. So why don't you head on over to Design Pretty, peruse the site, see if you see anything you'd like for you. I'm sure there's plenty of stuff you like for yourself, and get it for you. Treat yourself. It's not just about other people, it's about you. It's about self-love, self-care, wellness, all of that good stuff. But I am currently having a Valentine's sale. I forgot to mention that. Everything that I'm talking about is 15% off. If you join my email list, you get an instant 20% off coupon. So you can go and buy and get 15% off, which is awesome. You can join the email list and get an instant 20% off coupon. I don't know if you know this, 20 is higher than 15. The choice is yours. I will leave a link to my email list in the box below, and you are welcome to go and click on it, sign up, and get you your instant 20% off the price of anything you buy today or this week or whatever. So I say go for it. And that has been our Design Pretty 2020 Valentine's Day gift guide. But that's it for me. I hope you have an amazing week. I will see you next time. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and thanks for joining me today. Bye.